Ernie here. Today I'm going to show you a trick that my brother Earl showed me years ago. Now you may not know this, but my brother Earl's quite a card player. And he showed me a trick on how to read a marked deck. That way you know if somebody's cheating you. So these are just normal playing cards. Or are they? We're going to find out. Let's deal out a hand. First we'll shuffle them up. Gotta shuffle the cards, or it's not fair. Now let's deal out a game of 5-card stud. All right, so the first thing that you have to look at, I'll be damned. No way. 10, Jack, Queen, no way, King, a royal straight flush. I've got to call Earl.